U.S. stocks dipping this Friday afternoon as tensions between China and the United States offset the increasing optimism around the potential coronavirus vaccine. Overnight, China releasing draft legislation over new national security measures on Hong Kong after last year's burst of anti-government protests in the city. Now, that law expected to increase Beijing's hold over Hong Kong, and China has also opted against setting a GDP target for 2020 as the coronavirus continues to hammer the second largest economy in the world. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That's under pressure, and then focus. The pair remains under pressure, capped by its declining moving averages. Short positions below 109.25 are favored, with targets at 108.80 and 108.55 in extension. The British pound-US dollar pair, that is under pressure, while at the same time the US dollar-Japanese yen pair, that sees a rebound. Moving on to the Bitcoin dollar. The upside prevails as long as 89.57 is the support. The pivot point for the Bitcoin dollar, 89.57. While gold, that sees caution. Gold posting a pullback on its resistance level at 1740. Short positions below 1740 are favored, with targets at 1725 and 1720 in extension. And silver, that sees its key resistance at 1718 a troy ounce. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV, from New York City, wishing you a great weekend, I'm James Swinney.